Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to be doing a 100% honest review of slime shop, starting off with Jess slime, and this slime is amazing. As you can see, it's topped with hollow flakes. I thought this is such a nice touch. It's scented with the dupe of Shiny Moonlight, which is a scent from Bath & Body Works, and as you can see, there's purple, green, and blue. And when they're blended together, it doesn't make a gross colour at all. It kind of makes like a pastel-y mint green, and like you can see, from pulling it once, it becomes so fluffy, and then when you pull it a few times, it just flows so smoothly. As you can see here, it's so soft as well. When I put my hand in it, it literally, I was about to say it feels like a cloud, but it's a cloud slime, so that makes sense. Next up we have Bambi Stream Cloud Slime, and this is a gorgeous texture. It's kind of snowy, but mostly a creamy, almost butter texture. As you can see here, the colour turns into such a beautiful lilac colour that almost matches my nails, and it's so stretchy and so soft. It's scented like pistachios, which I actually think works really well with this because the texture of this reminds me of like a creamy ice cream, and I always think of pistachios when I think of ice cream. Unicorn Jelly's base is really like Snoop Slime's Barbie slime, and it has these gorgeous cubes in it. It's also scented like roasted marshmallow, and I also find that this is a really hard scent to get right, but this doesn't smell like burnt sugar at all. It just smells like a really comforting scent. These are actually from January, which is why this slime's called Santa Baby, but this is a gorgeous red butter slime, and it smells really warm, almost like a cinnamony scent, and I really love it. It really reminds me of the Eliza burning butter that I got from some other slimes, but it's just a little different in the texture. This one's a bit more soft, whereas the Eliza butter was a bit more firm. Everything came bubble wrapped and nothing leaked, and she sent the most amazing allergen-free cookies because I can't eat gluten or dairy. I was like, damn it, why has someone sent me cookies? But it actually was the best surprise ever. She also sent borax, a slime care sheet, and some extras. Next up we have Johny slimes, and this slime is 25 ounces and only worth $26, which is the price of like some high-end slime shop slimes for like an 8 ounce. And this is the crunchiest slime I have ever played with. So it has a clear base, and it's really weird because it's scented so strongly, but this isn't cloudy at all. As you can see, there's huge micro beads. This is a really bad shot to show how big it is because my hands look really normal sized on camera for once, but this is actually huge. It's scented like apples, and it's also so stretchy. Valens Happy is amazing. It starts off so glossy, but as soon as you touch it, it turns matte. And for the like watermelon seeds, he put in a really nice touch of putting some black hexagonal, is that the word? I don't know. Hexagon? I don't know. Anyway, some glitters in there, and it's so cute. I found that this clay slime inflated so much, I actually ended up putting half of the slime in a 6 ounce container and keeping the rest in an 8 ounce just to get it to fit, and I was so shocked because you get so much more than you pay for. As you can see, it's so stretchy, it falls really smoothly as well, and it just fluffs up so much. This cereal milk slime baffled me in the best way. So as you can see here, the slime starts off so glossy and so smooth, but then the more you play with it, the more it fluffs up, and the end product actually ends up looking like a fluffy clay slime. So here, as you can see, it looks normal, it looks like a cereal milk, and then bam, it starts to turn into a fluffiness thing? Fluffiness, yes, there you go, see? The fluffiness cloud thing. Cinnamon Roll Icing is a really gorgeous clay slime. It doesn't really feel like a Daiso clay. It feels like it has a really soft clay in there. I love this. It's so creamy. I've actually had this package for like maybe 3 months, and I didn't have to activate this one at all. I was so impressed with it. And normally clay slimes kind of go hard, but I didn't have to add any moisturizer either, and I was just really impressed with this, and it has a gorgeous scent as well. Blueberry Pancake looks just as you expect it to. This has such a glossy base and it looks just like a pancake mix, and then the little blueberries are just little Phloem beads on the top. This isn't particularly crunchy, but when you first touch it, it gives it a really nice crunch, and then the beads just add to the texture, and this is scented really nicely like blueberry. Seaside Butter is a really nice clay slime, and this is so soft, but it holds shape really well. As you can see here, when you kind of like droop it down, it doesn't fall naturally. You kind of have to move your hand with it, but your hand sinks so smoothly into it, it's unreal. It holds its swirl so well, which is so handy for taking thumbnail photos because it means that you don't have to like try and get it perfect the first time. It just kind of stays there, and this smells so relaxing. It's kind of like a mix of lavender and like a seaside scent. He was so generous in all of his extras. He sent me 3 huge glitter pots, some beads that kind of like pearl beads but different colors, so I might make a slime with that. Then there's slushy beads, borax, a care sheet, a little like edible extra, and it's just amazing. Next up we have Slime City Beep, and I can't say her Instagram username, but I'm going to put her YouTube link below and then you can find her. This slime is called Winter Candy Apple Scrub, and it smells like a spiced apple scent, and like the one before from Jess Slimes, this is also a Christmas slime. I just took ages to review it. It has loads of jelly, smells amazing, and it's so crunchy. I'm obsessed with cherry scents, so when I saw this and smelt this, I was so excited. And it's a butter slime, and I think it's made with Daiso clay. It's so vibrant and red, and this is melted cherry popsicle. The next 4 slimes are part of a bundle, and they come at such good value. It's 4 3-ounces for $21. First up in this bundle, we have 3-ounce Coca-Cola butter, which is made with the Daiso clay, I'm pretty sure. This is such an airy mixture. As you can see here, it's also so soft and so spreadable. I started spreading it with a spoon, and this was actually super satisfying, so I might have to do this again in the future. If you like this technique, let me know. If you hate it, also let me know and I won't do it again. But this inflates. It's so nice to smell as well. It's scented just like Coca-Cola, and I love the color of it because I don't think it's too dark. It kind of looks like the fizzy bit that comes at the top, and I think it's a really nice touch because this is an airy slime. Next up we have Strawberry Soda Cloud, and I was actually really worried about showing this on camera because I always find that small amounts of cloud slimes never fall for me, but this was so fluffy and it proved me wrong. As you can see, from pulling it only a few times, it just fell so smoothly, and this is so shocking for a small amount. I'm sure if any of you have 2 ounces, you'll know what I mean. The strawberry scent also isn't like an artificial one, it smells so good. As the name suggests, this is one thick slime, and it's really interesting. It kind of feels like a clay texture, but it also doesn't. So I think she's using a really unique clay that no one really uses, because I haven't ever felt a slime that feels like this. Apart from maybe the chewing gum slime I received from Slime King recently, but it also doesn't look like it when I stretch it, so I think it's a different thing, but this is so nice. It smells like a creamy orange scent, and as you can see, it's so glossy. Last up in this bundle, we have Grape Soda Phloem, and this is a micro bead Phloem, which again inflates like most of her slimes, and this smells like Americans to me. Like whenever I smell American candy, it smells like this. It's such a typical grape scent, and I love it, and the color is also so gorgeous. Everything came bubble wrapped and nothing leaked, and I'll link her YouTube in the description, so please go and check on it. I also started a vlog channel. I'm also very awkward on it because I'm not used to vlogging yet, but I promise you I'll get better, so don't forget to subscribe to that channel and also watch my first video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon.